you having fun, Corbin?
Yeah. Baba.
What is in that red blanket? Oh, there's Corbin. Hey, Corbin. Are you all cuddled up?
Yeah.
You're so cute. There's Ellie and James. And they're all cuddled up too, and James is trying to make Ellie laugh. Today we're going to make slime. I'm really excited about it. It's going to be really fun. If you ever want to get pumped about making slime, look up on Pinterest how to make slime, or just slime. There's some pretty awesome ones out there. I wish I could do them all.
Sweet.
I love how you guys love cuddling up together. James said earlier, we got all cuddled up and now we're having family time. I thought that was really sweet. So James was upset because he didn't want to eat lunch. He wanted to be a turtle. And so now he's a turtle. Are you turtles?
Yeah. Even we can take them off.
Wait, don't take it off. Go past me again, okay?
Okay.
Good. Now turn around and go the other way.
Well, looks like Becca's been making dinner again. I don't know what this thing is, but it doesn't look very yummy. Maybe radioactive. Does that look yummy? No, that's weird. We're not gonna eat that.
Yeah.
What is it, James?
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh? Some kind of Play-Doh slimy thing, huh?
Yeah. Blue. It's like mermaid water.
Mermaid water?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
We both lost
Well, if it isn't Corbin. You watching our oldest, best video?
Yeah. I'm like amazed there's kids whining. James is like, my car! My car!
It's fun.
It's weird because he's like not even hardly able to talk. I'm like, oh wow.
All the glue out though. I think it takes a little bit more.
Old video.
There's flubber on the floor. A tiny cat. Oh, that's money.
All right, Ellie, touch it. Touch it. I'm still trying to get her to touch it. What is that? What is that? Oh, that's a sticker. Oh, gross. Okay. Good job. What are you doing? Touch it. Are you having fun, Corbin?
Yeah. Baba.
Whoa. So this video is gonna be on my Pins and Things channel for how to make glitter slime. Don't spit on it, ew, gross. Yuck. No. She's just not sure how to handle this. That's so funny. It's really cool, and it cleans up really easily. It looks like it's making a disaster, but it cleans up really easy. See? James is cleaning it all up. Everything sticks to it, so it's super easy to clean up.
Yeah.
Touch it, Ellie, touch it. Oh, you're making me nervous being so close to that end. Touch it.
Oh. Be careful what you're doing. Oh.
Wow, she's a turtle.
You can hide. Whoa,
scriptures and prayer. Prayer.
My leg hurts.
Does it?
Oh, back on my leg.
Oh, man.
Oh, it's been hurting all day.
Well, you can't have a vitamin. You already brushed your teeth.
I have a funny laugh. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Thanks, Corbin. Yours isn't so bad either.
You have a really funny laugh. I love your laugh, Corbin.
Watch this. Watch this. Hey, watch this.
What? Oh, that's a pretty funny laugh.
Let's get these kids to bed.
Alright. It's been a long day. This is sad, but I'm ready for everybody to be asleep.
Best game of people. Thanks so much for watching. Check out yesterday's video. Subscribe. You guys are the best. Have a great day.
So, usually before I go to bed, I go in Ellie's room and I change her diaper. Just because anyways, she usually will leak through if I don't do that. Anyways, I just went in there and this is what I saw.